Hey guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing of this cup holder tablet mount. Very nice packaging. This is going to go straight into your cup holder. Here's your mount. Oh wow, that actually looks very substantial. I love how this is going to push out. This is going to be able to fit all sorts of different cup holders. All right guys, I'll come back to you in the car to show you how it looks. And show. You know what? I wonder if it could actually fit some cell phones too, like this way. Wonder if it could. Let me see. Take a look. Ooh. I got an iPhone Pro Max, and I can tell you right now, it will, because I just did it right there. All right, so what's going to happen is I can tell this piece right here is what goes in your cup holder. All right, ooh, look at that. So it's very simple. You just turn this knob, right? And these protrude out, so it stays in there nice and tight. Wow, that looks awesome. So then you're going to unscrew this to put the mount on. Just put that on, screw it on here, all right? I don't know if you guys can see that. Just screw it on, and it's 360 degrees, guys. It goes all over, so I can already tell this is going to be very nice for a tablet. I will test it out in the car, but very simple, but very I like the engineering behind it.